Example 6. Prove the reduction formula. Sidebar. Equation 7 is called a reduction formula because the exponent n has been reduced to n minus 1 and n minus 2. Back to the text, equation 7. The integral of sine to the power n dx equals negative 1 over negative 1 over n cosine x sine to the power n minus 1x x. Restarting equation 7, sine to the power n x dx equals negative 1 over n cosine x sine to the power n minus 1 x plus n minus 1 over n, the integral sine to the power n minus 2 x dx, where n is greater than or equal to 2 is an integer. Solution: let u equal sine to the power n minus 1 x, then du equals open n minus 1 close sine to the power n minus 2 x cosine x dx. Dv equals sine x dx. V equals negative cosine x. So integration by parts gives the integral of sine to the power n x dx equals negative cosine x sine to the power n minus 1 x plus open n minus 1 close. The integral of sine to the power n minus 2 x cosine squared x dx. Since cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x, we have the integral of sine to the power n x dx equals negative cosine x sine to the power n minus 1 x plus open n minus 1 close. The integral of sine to the power n minus 2 x dx minus open n minus 1 close. The integral of sine to the power n x dx. As in example 4, we solved this equation for the desired integral by taking the last term on the right side to the left side. Thus, we have in the integral sine to the power n x dx equals negative cosine x sine into the power sine to the power n minus 1 x plus open n minus 1 close. The integral from sine to the power n minus 2 x dx, or the integral of sine to the power n x dx equals negative 1 over n cosine x sine to the power n minus 1 x plus n minus 1 over n. The integral of sine to the power n minus 2 x dx. The reduction formula 7 is useful because by using it repeatedly, it could eventually express the integral of sine to the power n x of n of x dx in terms of the integral of sine of x dx. open if n is odd, close, or the integral of open sine x close to the power 0 dx equals the integral of dx open if n is even, close.